Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not working properly in Samsung smartphone after applying tempered glass. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the settings and now just click on this display option. Just scroll down below. Now you will see here one option, touch sensitivity, and here you will see some information regarding it. Increase the touch sensitivity of the screen for use with screen protectors. So if you're having a touch screen problem after applying a tempered glass, then you can enable this option. Then it will increase the touch sensitivity of the screen. After that it will work properly. So you can see it's working perfectly now, everything. So by enabling these hidden features available inside the settings, you can easily fix touchscreen not working properly in Samsung smartphone after applying tempered glass very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.